Symptoms of typhoid fever includes high persistent fever of about 40 degrees Celsius, then cough, headache, loss of appetite, then stomach pain or pain in the intestine, then the development of perforation or lesions in the intestinal wall, perforations in the intestinal wall. These are the symptoms of typhoid fever: high persistent fever, cough, headache, loss of appetite, sore throat, means throat infection, sore throat, stomach pain or intestine pain, then perforations in the intestinal wall, means formation of small holes on the wall of the intestine. Typhoid fever is also called as enteric fever because it mainly severely affects on the wall of the intestine, damage the wall of the intestine. Hence it is also called as enteric fever. If typhoid fever is treated at the right time properly, then it can be cured. The death rate is usually 10 to 15%. If it is not treated properly at the right time, then that may lead to death. Death may be due to the perforations in the wall of the intestine, may lead to death if it is untreated. If it is treated at the right time, then it can be cured. So these are the symptoms. Then laboratory diagnosis. One can diagnose this disease by a test called Widal test. It is very important. Widal test. Laboratory diagnose means how one can diagnose the disease, how one can identify the presence of typhoid fever. The test is called as Widal test. Widal test is a serological test or blood test. Here, blood sample of the patient is tested for the presence of typhoid antibodies using the antigen Salmonella typhi. Widal test is a serological test or blood test. Here, the blood sample of an individual is tested for the presence of typhoid antibodies using Salmonella typhi antigen. Means, suppose an individual is suffering from typhoid fever. Consider he is an individual suffering from typhoid fever. Then, if we take the blood sample of this individual and we are testing that blood sample for the presence of typhoid antibodies, means soon after the entry of Salmonella typhi in his body, the antibodies are started to produce. And these antibodies always fight against the pathogen Salmonella typhi. The antibodies which are produced to fight against Salmonella typhi are called as typhoid antibodies. Suppose in his blood sample typhoid antibodies are present, then we will get agglutination. Here in this test we are testing the blood sample for the presence of typhoid antibodies using Salmonella typhi antigen. Means in the blood sample antibodies are present, we are adding Salmonella typhi antigen. Suppose antibodies are present in the blood sample, then that antibodies fight with the Salmonella typhi antigen that forms agglutination, means clotting of the blood sample, formation of coagulation or clots in the blood. That says that that person is suffering from typhoid fever. Absence of agglutination indicates that typhoid fever is absent. So this is about typhoid fever. Thank you.